Selamat pagi! Good morning everyone, Kenneth here, and today we are going to be resetting the Tronsmart Spunky Beat. If you have any pairing issues when music is not playing on both earbuds at the same time. Personally, I've never had this issue, but again, this is for you if you experience the issue or have lost the manual book. So let's read it real quick here. First is to put two earbuds back into the charging case, and after the red indicator lights go on for 5 seconds, you gotta hold for 8 seconds until the red and blue indicator flash alternately. Then take them out, put them back, close the charging case, and the earbuds will reset. Okay, so let's do it here. Kenneth from the future here. Just want to quickly add that this same exact instructions will work for the Onyx Neo. So if you have either Spunky Beat or the Onyx Neo, these will work for a reset. I'm just demoing it currently with a Spunky Beat, so let's go on with the video. First of all, just as with every other reset, you have to go to your Bluetooth settings and forget the previous settings of your earbud. So I have two Tronsmart Spunky Beat here, and now it's done. This is Spunky Pro, if you're wondering. And right now, let's do the reset. Make sure your case is fully charged here. You can see by wiggling the earbuds, like it's got charged, not fully charged. Yeah, I have 3 dots here, and right now we see the red LED for 5 seconds to make sure that both of these earbuds are off, because they are not instantly off when you put them into the case. And right now it's about 5 seconds. We gotta hold this for 8 seconds in 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there you go. We have the flashing alternately on the left side. I think it should be on both earbuds. So let's just do it again. I think that one was failed. So in 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there you go. We have both flashing alternately. I'm gonna take it out. Okay, now put it back in, and they're off. Close the case, and right now it should be paired. So just the next step is going to be you have to take both out, and now you have one pairing mode, and you can see it's already here available to pair. And then same as with all QC3020 chip, you have to wait for a couple seconds for this request to show up. So now you are paired to both left side and the right side. So no matter which earbud you pick, you can use it as a mono mode or dual mode. So that's pretty much it for the reset. I hope it helped. Thank you so much for watching. Please do consider subscribing or giving a thumbs up if it helped. So this is it. I'm Kenneth, and I'll see you in the next one.